Hello friends. In this video we are learn about SUBTOTAL formula in Microsoft Excel. First of all, we need table like this, and follow the video. Use SUM formula is qual open small bracket select quantity and press multiply sign click on rate, and close small bracket hit the enter button, and drop the list. Is qual type subtotal open the small bracket, type 9 press comma, select the range, close the small bracket and hit the enter button. Is qual type subtotal open the small bracket, type 9 press comma, select the range, close the small bracket and hit the enter button. Now, select the all fields, like this. Go to Home tab Editing, Group, Sort and Filter, click on Filter button. Now you click on any product, want to show. Result. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel formula, so please subscribe my YouTube channel namely Hoorain Academy. Thank you.